How do you think we can make ours more efficient and cheap?
I don't know. Hire some people?
You think we could make an assembly line?
Yeah, I think we should make an assembly line.
Ah.
So, Mr. Ford, what are our wages going to be looking like?
I think we're going to start you guys out at about 35 cents an hour.
It's outrageous of him.
We can't be getting paid 35 cents an hour.
We got families at home that need to be fed.
Yeah.
Taken care of.
Mr. Ford, this is outrageous. We need at least $8 an hour.
We have family at home.
If you guys can promise to work hard and we can get a lot of new cars manufactured, we might be able to up your wage. We need a more efficient way to build cars, so we have an assembly line. You start working faster. Very efficient way to build cars here. No, sir, please don't. We're done. Brand new Ford car. Built in less than a minute. Good job, guys. The assembly line is very nice.
Hey, drive it around. Drive it around.
We build cars like that, we're gonna be the top of the line. Very top of the line product right there. For years to come.
How does this new invention of the assembly line work?
Well, we have a few different stations, and we start from scratch, and one person starts on one thing, and then they pass it on to the next person, and they do what they're assigned to do, and then they build the car.
How does the car itself work?
The car runs off gasoline, new invention, makes it more efficient.
Interesting. So tell me, Mr. Ford, why should I buy this thing?
This is one of the best cars in the business, and it's a more efficient way to travel, and it's fast.
How are you making these?
We got a new assembly line going that makes it faster to build them, and you can get more out there quicker.
How much is this thing gonna cost?
This will run you about 12 hookers. You gotta be good.
How fast does this thing go?
The new Ford goes about 35 miles per hour. It's a lot more efficient than the old ways of traveling.
Is it safe?
It's very safe. The assembly lines manufacture these new Fords very well. Mr. Potts, what do you think about the new Ford car?
It ran like a dream.
Would you ever consider buying one?
There goes one!
Get out of here! How much is the cost of the vehicle?
The new Ford's gonna cost you about 12 hookers.
Check my pocketbook here.
Back to work.
Looks like I got about 14 hookers. I suppose I could spare you. Start this year on with it.
This new one we got. Plug the battery in and just fire it up.
Take your first spin. Trim the wheels here. He rides like a dream.
Would you ever consider having one of these for your main source of transportation?
Of course, man. Come on. Looks beautiful. Ground's beautiful. Love it.
I'm glad to hear that you like the new invention.
Beautiful.